Hey designers, I'm Jenna Gaidusek. I'm going to be your instructor for this class. This class is all about print on demand and AI. So if you are a designer that wants to create custom, curated pillows, home decor, artwork for your clients' homes or for your own home, or maybe even an e-commerce collection like you see behind me here, this class is for you. All right. So what I'm going to be teaching you in this class is all about how to create artwork and to manipulate it in Photoshop using very simple tools. Okay. We're also going to be creating textures, patterns, and things that you can put on print-on-demand products. I'm also going to show you how to set up a print-on-demand store. It's very simple. There's quite a few out there. I'm going to be showing you with Printify and my Squarespace website, but there's so many options that I do encourage you to choose the one that you prefer and what works best for you. You also have the ability to add your materials that you create and patterns that you create to upholstery. So if you have that printed, you can add it to your private label collection and create some incredible accent chairs, sofas, and other home decor selections that are not technically print on demand, but are highly curated with everything that you can create in this class. So we will be using Photoshop a little bit just to manipulate the images that we generate. You do not need highly technical skills for Photoshop. This class also will use Dolly and Midjourney, and I'll be sharing the techniques to create artwork and also seamless textures and patterns, and just little patterns that you can then use and repeat yourself. So while this class does not go in depth into Midjourney and Dolly, there are portions that will use those programs. So if you're not fully aware of how to use them and how to get started with the other ones, I do recommend checking out the Dolly or the Midjourney class. That's a core class here as well. So this class I am so excited about because this changes everything for interior designers. This cuts out that middleman, the retailer. This is direct ship to your clients. You can build an e-commerce store with this. You can create your own collections. You can render those collections into your imagery for your website, like I have done right here behind me, like this. So you can create incredible graphics, incredible products, and there's a variation of price point too. And the best part is you set your price point for all of these things because it's your product collection. So let's get started. Go ahead and register and attend the quarterly updates throughout 2024 for this class, but also there's going to be self-learning if you can't attend those or if you don't want to watch the entire replay. There's also module learning as well, so you can go at your own pace. All right, let's get started with some collections in print on demand.